it's on the makeup test. I'm not making exam. Understand? So histogram, it's in the exam, but not in this form, whereby you are looking for interval, we are looking for range, we are looking for cell boundaries and the likes. No, it's going to be in a form of you need to look for the skewness, you are looking for the ketosis, you are looking for the what you call that other thing, I'm forgetting it, standard deviation, your average. That's what we're going to do for the exam. And then you use your calculator to do the magic, right? It's too hot, guys, like, yo, damn it, I'm burning. But I understand, I carried the load coming here, so yeah, maybe that's why, but I'm burning. So, and everything is in the video, right? So if you decide to not watch this video that I'm doing right now, and you go to test 2, you can't come back and say, but no, I recorded everything. So this one, I am doing it, is chapter 1, Pareto. It's not properly explained in the textbook. However, we have an example here, as you can see there. But I want to start by saying on the procedure, I don't want to read these things. Okay, all right, maybe let me just look at here. All right. So what Pareto is all about is we are trying to determine the percentage of your few, they call it critical few or something like that. It says 80% of the cost is contributed by 20% of the items. So it becomes 80-20 rule. How so? If you look at these values here, there are 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 over 7, how much is that? The next thing, Corey, I came prepared with my calculator. Going forward or next year, your little brothers and sisters, this is how we're gonna roll. So we said 2 divided by 7. Guy. So that's almost 30%. Yeah? So then 30% of 100% contributes 80% of the cost. Understand? So you have that 30% there. This is how you analyze it actually. I went straight to analysis instead of doing it. I'll do it after. So 30%, this is our 30% here. Then when you look at this thing here, there, it corresponds with what when you come this side? With 8. You see that? So 30% of our items are yielding 80% of our total cost. Understand? Because usually you will find that on the problems we are having them as either frequency or either cost. Yeah? So it's either frequency or cost. I would always preferably give you in a form of cost so that you could understand that if you solve these 2% of problems, this 20% of problems, you are resolving how many percent of the cost? You are resolving 80% of the cost. So this is what I am going to test you on in the exam. This, we didn't have it in a test. It's in the assignment and it's going to be in the exam. On that video, under the playlist, yeah, quality, yeah, this is quality control playlist, by the way. So it's going to be like, I want to show you how it appears here. I don't know why it's number one on my side. Maybe it's number one also on your side. So quality control. Under this playlist, you're going to find Pareto, you're going to find histogram, you're going to find control charts. Histogram and Pareto are control charts, and Pareto are part of our assignment that is due Friday. We are not postponing, it's still due on Friday. You have a thing to watch, to refer to, understand? So you would copy whatever that they are doing there and you replicate it, right? Then, so now indeed, in this case, if we solve this 20% that they're talking about, we would have solved 80% of their issues. Okay, then I will jump straight to the steps. They say collect the data for appropriate time interval, summarize the data, and rank order categories from largest to smallest. From largest to smallest. So this data will have to be put from largest to smallest. Then you compute the cumulative percentage if it is to be used. Then you construct the diagram and find the vital few. So this is the vital few. You can't solve every problem that is in the industry. Those people who will be having the mold and the cast, and you melt your carbon. What is it? You call it what? Mild steel. Okay, you will be melting these steels and stuff like that, and there's shrinkage that's taking place when the stuff dry. Again, so you need to be able to account for how much shrinkage is tolerable. You understand? So you will find that other metals, they shrink too much. You understand? So these are the things that as you are trying to resolve the problems, you would be able to see which one affects us mostly. You understand? So you can't resolve all the problems. Some problems, they are within the operations. You understand? Just like in the era of us, everything was paper. Now, we no longer use paper at all. So certain things will eventually disappear based on the changes of technology and time. Okay? So we'll start by saying this one has all other. Yeah? So we'll sort, this is 1. This one is 2. Where's number 3? 3 and 4. This one is all other. It's going to be number 5. Yes, ultimately it sounds as if it must come as number 4, but no, it comes as number 5. All other, it's always placed on the far right. So now you're going to do this. Now I'm drawing the table. You don't need the arrow. It's mistake. Should have went for this instead, because I can add a lot of things with it. Okay. Copy paste. Hey, technology, guys. Hey, it's chowy. Behave, computer. Because we are recording, the PC gets overloaded easily. So now we have those, and we have just a basic table. It has to take 10 years. Who's calling me? It's a wait, I'm in class. All right. Sharp. So we have what? Can I answer this, my colleague, guys? Metaphor. You got class in. Yes. I mean class. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah, okay. But that one came to Caso to Santa alumni. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. O tlang copy ho yona e wa kere. Okay. Nah, don't worry. Yeah. Don't stress, don't stress. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's team playing, don't stress. Yeah, sharpen it. Yeah. Thanks. Sure. Guys, sorry about that. Uh, Ash, it's a matter of the deputy vice chancellor, so I had to take it so that we can clear it up. So, and then we have our items here, ne? And you have, what is the first one? Operation rework, ne? O rework. You can tell that rework already by just looking at it. Rework is 355, ne? So these are $355,000, ne? And purchasing rejects is 205. Then design scrap is 120. Then the rework now. Purchasing rework is 25. And then all other stays at the end there as 65, right? Then these are your, this is your current dollars, ne? Then usually they look for accumulative, uh, actually usually they look for, I think it's percentage, yes? They look for percentage. I don't want the percentage. I want us to focus on making these things to be accumulative, yeah? Because from there we'll need only the accumulative percentage, right? So we are deviating from what the book usually recommends, but we end up in the same place, right? So now, firstly, let's find the total. 355 plus 205 plus 120 plus 25 plus 65 equals to 770. Then 3 3. So this one we are doing cumulative, ne? Cum 3 3, no, 355, sorry. 355, add the 2, 560 plus 120, 680 plus 225, 705 plus 65. That becomes 770, right? So now to find the percentage cumulative frequency, you're going to say 355 over, you see that, 770. So 355. Maybe I must erase this and write properly because I can see or young this step. 355 over, and you're getting what? 46. Is that right? 46. You can just write it in 0.1 is fine. You can just say 46.1. Let me, sorry, 0.1%. Then 560, it goes to 72, right? Point 7. Then it goes to 680 to 88%. 88.3%. Then it goes to 705, 91.6. Then it goes to 100%, of course. I prefer it in this way. Why? Because it leads us straight to 100%. That other method, it was requiring people to add the percentages and they must get 100%. And obviously, with the round-ups, round-downs, they end up getting wrong answers. This method is a method that I recommended, and it's my method, and it's a method that I mark, it's a method that is in my memorandum. Not unless we change a lecturer and we do things that are different. In that manner, yes, it's going to be difficult for us. All right? Hey, I just saw a lecturer on the door. Hey, guys, we took people's venue. Hey. Yep. So, now, I am going to draw which one? This one. We need to draw our graph. It's going to be based on, guys, damn it. Guys. Hold on. Our graph is going to be based on these two items, right? So now, guys, it goes until 300. So I'm going to do 50s. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. Did I forget anything? Okay. All right, so guys, let's not make noise then. So this one slightly above there. Okay, and then now I'm just plotting. Then I go to 205 around here. Right, then I go to 120. Guys, why are we arguing amongst ourselves? What's happening? Guys, hey, well, these people, comrades, come on. Right, then 25. Guys, don't be excited for knocking off. The test is sooner than you think. And if you know how you performed, you wouldn't be doing what you're doing now. Okay, guys, and then it looks like this. Then I now need to add these figures here. I need to just add these figures. Yeah, we need to bounce. Okay. All right, guys. Then you add your percentage. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, guys. 80, 90, and 100. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then we have the first one, this one here, at 46. Okay, my scaling is not make sure, but this rather focus on the second one. It's around about 70, around about 72. Oh no, it's fine. 40 here. Okay, guys. This one is at 83, 90. Sure. It's a test now. Okay, we go now. Yeah, no, we are definitely going. Sure. Okay, guys, there's gonna be a test here. So then after we are going to connect this like that. And then you have your Pareto. Then, guys, hold on. Wait. Then this one is your homework. It's number 8. Number 8 is your homework. What should happen? Should we continue online? Okay. Let me go to my office, then we'll continue online so that we excuse the class. But we have an hour. Where's your class? Huh? We have 1 hour. Then if your class is online, wherever you are, you will. Huh? Yeah, the class is supposed to be 2 hours. Okay, let's do this, guys. Hold on.